Many of us grew up to meet the Uromi General Hospital Road, as it is believed to have been constructed in the 60s to ease movement to Uromi General Hospital, one of the earliest hospitals in Uromi Kingdom. The road is of real strategic importance as it is a link road between Old Benin Road by Ebele down to Old Uromi Agbo Road. Besides linking these two areas together, it is also a road that linked many communities and villages to the central part of Uromi town. Villages like Idumonza and a large chunk of Ewoyi community is directly connected to Uromi main town, partly by Uromi General Hospital Road. Even from Uromi Police Station, the local government secretariat, Bovel Event Center, and some other notable government establishments have their roads connected to Uromi General Hospital Road. No doubt the road remains one of the most important road links in Uromi Kingdom. Sad enough, the road has suffered defect and degeneration for a long time, ever since the successive military government in Nigeria, and was off since the commencement of democracy in Nigeria in 1999. It is quite shameful that none of those that are being in elected positions in Eastern Northeast and Eastern Southeast local government area have given the road any attention. The road and those residing along it have been left to their fate as lot of criminal activities became prevalent around the road at night and even sometimes during the daytime. Robbery of and motorbike snatching were regularly recorded along the road, an action that made many inhabitants staying along the road to change their residences. Even landlords were not exempted from this forceful eviction. Surprisingly enough, the road was awarded for construction a number of times in the past, only to be abandoned with nothing done in it. It all was like a jinxed project. Early this year, precisely on the 26th of February 2024, Prince Honorable Okojie told the Uromi community of his intention to construct this road during flag-off of the project. He promised, among other things, that he would ensure the drainage were constructed on both sides of the road to ensure its durability. He also promised that he would fit the road with street lights to ensure that criminals will have no hiding place within the environment. All this, he told everyone, will be done approximately in 8 weeks during the flag-off. True to his word, the road today is at its finishing end as gutters are constructed at both sides of the road with street lights placed along with it. Residents and landlords who reside along the road who spoke to us expressed their joy, even with some of them saying that they don't believe what they are seeing currently. It is like a dream to them. Hear some of them.
My name is Akulome Courage Ezekiel. The work going on is very good. This man has proven that he's really a son of the Eastern land. He's the man that has brought this level of work at this road to this point. So it's a very good development, and we like what he has been doing. There's a very deep difference. Before, the road was very bad, very uncomfortable for cars to move by. But now it's very okay. Cars can move to and fro. The work has been very good. We commend the contractors. We commend the man that brought the work to life, and we say a very big thank you to him. It's a very good work. My message to all Eastern people is that Honorable Okojie has been a very good son of the soil. So in the next few years, he will be contesting again for a second term. We ask the Eastern people to vote for him because he has proven to be a very good son of the soil. So that's my advice to the good people of Eastern land.
Mr. Kodwa, Robert. But when this young man came, Honorable all the Okojie. I was also there. Then he told us that he was going to do this road. Where by faith, we agree with him. I prayed earnestly that it will not be one of those usual promises made by his predecessors, those that represented us before. And he gave us 8 weeks to start and to complete it. So we prayed. Right from that day, he gave us hope and we became happy. We are so glad. And everybody along this road, Jara Hospital Road, I'll be praying for him earnestly. And I believe he's building up leadership. Leadership for himself. Leadership is not by demand. It's people that will say that this man is a leader. How? Because of performance, commitment to his promises. You know, Nigerian politicians, they know how to polish promises. And when they get there, you cannot even access them. Another thing I love about this man is accessibility. He's down to earth. Anybody can reach him, make suggestions. And when he harnesses them, he knows what to do. I pray for him today that he will continue to grow and grow higher and higher. And God will give him the grace to do more. And bring the dividends of democracy to us, to Uromi, particularly those of us who live along the I'm a landlord. So this is where I dwell. So we are so glad. And God will continue to bless him. And I believe if he continue like this, I'm also told that he's working like this around Eastern South East too, not only in this local government. And if he does that one, then nothing will stop him from becoming a leader. And he may have his own aspiration. So let him work. Performance is not by political party. As far as I'm concerned, I'm a regular voter. So and my family, we vote a lot. It's not, we have changed the system. It's not by political party this time around. It's by individual performance.
Mais actually, esco photo. Esco the boy. I want my man. I want return. Mais actually, esco photo. If photo me about musha wine. Because on ukona, I get me carry over the carry flag up. Me that you on ukona mo da flag up. Okay, see by say na mo flag up on ukona. Wa mu caterpillar. The next thing I had lada me build. So I keep working flag up. Punya me that onore no go flag up now. That the goal. So. Why would you throw blood? Me keep me okay. Ona warare koi. Ona wara monu kofi. Ona washing. Are you was finish now? But men let me mo kholo se me. Onu ko na ki the boy. Ada si tan get ache na ada si tan. Because onu ko na. Ma yes on blare ba no mo na no onu ko na. Because onu ko na me kere. No more duro me kere nu ko na. U ko na mo na wa sapolu. Badon ko for years. But me no don't know me yo. E sono bla. E jo no se ma we politics na. Me yo sono bla no ro se we no si Jesus. Because onu ko na no luna. Jo o ma mati we work we. Na re lo nu ko na. Because wa kere nu ko na. Onu ko na ali to the main town. Because me oboni choke obona akina. So I me da mama yo me di yo akwene. We when see no na. So about Bulosa. So and secondly, because it's all because at least no support one make go down or didn't know. And now we are not here on I hear no so one and so no say support, no say Carlo. So may believe I enjoy or didn't know because at least all or I use support Jan. I will even your best. I not about on Hona that or keep at least I mean your loss na 1 minute.
Me actually Osemekian aye wo GP. Onuku na mewo yi. E mo tso no bla nuku na aluna. O ma team ebo. E be no that team ebo. Emi
nene moda swele ba sabo race wonu kunare oria no wo na ba hu osi ehe o race wonu onu kunare moda yo so ba no re pare ono ejo na o ajo kichi jo no kwa oria aje mi o ehe no di anya wo la na bo lo na o kichi na bo wada ge ahie de Uromi de chewe bo era we kina we gallop era we yes abonda but now are mi aba sel wo so sonya unde akiru wo so ba ma yo no re pare o re pare so kre pa da melande iyo kino wonu kuna na wani pesa bo receive re onoriana o receive keliri moda so ba re pa bi no re oni yo kina so Uromi na re ronu kuna re iro so ba da re be ebe ba gbe no e ba cho ni yen no so ba ka re si omi yen no so re na de o lui ebe ti Uromi re jabo mo so ba no re pa re o bo ka di anya da aso e jowo di ase na anya mo we be mo kon o bo di anya ma da so ame arolo la mu ne bo o da de so we ga o era wa de so we ga era wa de so we ga o di anya ma da aso god be ahin mi wa a wo fie we on your never tell na de ono su gwa bo kwa we me o mi on fie o se kare o na ta mama e ba de na de o rona oni o pa ma bo da wo kiche gwa no u va de se ye abi no re wona ki goni ron na o ki gbo no kwa iro pa me da re
me sa Christopher Ejele Ehidiame onukuna inyo diame be wo here bon me hon ade eye na wona eye no clear vai na de onukuna me wa ruwa me da ka fe ni mo kare bo bodo yibo me na no television ge onukuna aloy me clear vai uza no bra na me wo kere akuwo mama na se wo segin ek madam jana me kerege obo ma dai me yo onu kanu ro na wa osino blara pa e pa no dare oni gunare ara ni I government no a uno so no re saboni government tao na wona ni wona wa ma yo so ba je de no so ame only government margin na da mi obi ma na mi nukuna mama ma la ko ma o ma je ma yo initi oda twe boni re nyengi na edo de su uko o yare wonu weden ilo so ba re pa ilo so ba re this we emi o yare eda mi o yawe eda boni le mayo osino bare pa ono ohana no lo ni no na ma aude inyo le jawa inyo jame bebu hie e mere ho ga da lo nu kuna mera yo adi lo ke munini ri na fo e munochi munini ri na munochi botere na nya botere na nya ma ri kere ge onu wedena alo so ba ma yo no re pa odi Okojie no re na ohun jina sebe uto eji committee ma yo ohun ma jo olo oda re sini ni se je ma no ye rona ma de ni rona no bu woni I government oni government no you know you do ya fe do ya fe o so ba de job ni si bo ide o matai ide o meyeta ye okor be yopa ege na wale lo nukuna abamne mari poesimo maele ege ni government no kamo maru era yi mwebele era lo nukuna era mufia mawamne ma ripoesimo mawamne ma ne gwaso makyo majo wayi wonu maje e jono kala se wona se owo tiwewo ni mere kore mayo slobla ola re pai le da bono so me actually Ehidiame Christopher Ejele me oho me tamale eviesi onu kana lo one within no the other one within now mada slobla ola re pai o kire pai wo hana okiji wona no so are alalo only government margin no ejina no that's all one when na one only government carry alalo okiye po wa on one no you no kiye kiyo okiye no kukunde idiome auno senobla reve letao idioma caboroi chama mayo senobla o are fa la monore
I've not seen that before. What one more day?
Mrs. Sarah. I want no rare ayo damena. I don't know who now I hear ame. My eye on no slow blaref by. Other shower way, other shower, other way that than one go with there. You see that really. A boy, I use slow black one agmona, slow black ilona. Or when I saw men now damn. Ego no are. Bunwanara di moto lwemi esi odatwe uro muruwe kinero mona maye gbere afore rande ben wedago nyanu kurewe kime okija na nyobare di anya Jesu ade baisa etilware lu ofo nya orewe ki gonwon marewe ki gonwon mayo slow blood de bai o ariwo imo ki ariwo ame ki ariwo odachi ni mo viason odachi ni mo vi odame omo odachi ni viason omo odachi ni vi odame Other view was, other view damn, really not see just, we keep talk, baby, not see just, slow blood the bar, why you're my old boy when or no what that chain, okay, chama go buy go, or more bar more, if you think they buy me, really not see just. Hey, oh, why? Why you look on a say, you were that movie muja, or look on a memodago banner away. And I made a jacket, I look on a janna, on look on a janna, bera. So I okan wari ono lo nu kona o gwari konu kona renya e bo ne bumburi wo ne ejo nanya e ba lo palu eva o kisege no so evegbe o na fe jere ve go dai onu kona we afe bomba no se lege nya nu kona e o ekwen no bomba no ri moto me ege na wa sere lo bet no so no black re lo nya o bi o ma prince audio Okojie da na wonu wede na fe onu wede na ge me na wonya only bomba na nya me di mi ore su wa ele na nya me yo so no blare pa prince audio no bi Okojie wa lueri wa kwa mi hon wede ko da lueri wa be dana ku gbo mere de bale u da jo mi hon wede oni gwana na da yo kun eri wena no se wo ya wo eri ari wonu pe ba se da ye ehwe na beji me da e meji me eji wa di meji wo ya shabu mere u don le mo nu khora de me aso na renya me akigba se po no fe ki amu me mere mo ni moto na ndabo ramude onu we de ne u pa eri wo wo ya wo u wale ko eni me da bun wa wo ya wo my brother shabu mere dani me to ba be ye nya bu mere ni wadi konu we dere na de o fe mu me nya mere asho wanya me na me da ko ke mu moto wo to nya me da me de mi wo ya wo bu mere prince odi don wonu ko e me ho so no blare pa e wo u da nu we de ne bi ju gole wo ke sa bone bore sayeto igudu mane bone bore sayeto e ba go igwana de san lonya ona igwana no se bo prince odi no bi Okojie elu na ora be ri wona lore o ye won me da mu jana wo prince odi bone bore ayeto e beti wenya me to e dj prince odi no mi Okojie me to e gugugu ihe iyo me de ri we bo me ne jaye na vi ba hu ya ma le ni vibe wa upa mai me ba fa kire mu pa no se mai ne upo mai me ba fa kire mu no se mai ne e jo ma da de bel e me cha electric pole na ada me ba su gwa ni support pop ba de fi ba ma wa hu ya wo ba ya che ba ka ibo ke sab ne ya le upa wa we bo ade we bo yi se ba ene ze bo da we English is not my father's language ba hu ya wo ba sha vibe wa ba sha vibe esa ki mi ba vibe Prince odi no mi Okojie yo ba de ya vibe wa su wa keke na je mi da kere keke ba re obu
To be sure, the road was built to standard. Our crew spoke with the constructing engineer handling the road project, who also allayed fears and confirmed that the road was being built in accordance to the ministry that is in charge of the project monitoring and specification control. Here are his words during our interactions with him.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Bemega Phillips. I'm the site engineer.
Yeah.
The road is being done to standard. It's been done to specification, and it is being awarded by the Federal Ministry of Housing and Urban Development. And what is stated, what is specified to be done is what we are doing. There is actually no stone base, but it has a lateritic base, which has been compacted and has achieved a CBR of above 80%. CBR is a California bearing ratio test that has been conducted on the road, and it has passed. It has achieved compaction. And we have opened it to traffic for a long time. We have compacted day in, day out, and rain has also helped in the compaction. So there is no cause for alarm. It is being done to specification, to design as prescribed by Federal Ministry of Housing and Urban Development, which we here don't have power to alter. We cannot bring in stone base, since stone base is not in what we are supposed to do. But all the same, from experience and from what we learned in school, this is equally, a standard rule because of the traffic volume. You cannot compare this traffic volume on this road to the traffic volume on highway, possibly Benin, Abuja Expressway. It's just an internal road to take people into their houses. So it is okay, it is fine. No, sir, there is no payment issue here. It's just like I said, it has nothing to do with the honorable. It's just about the people that, there are senior engineers there. Engineers that are more experienced. They are the ones that give us the job. It's just being facilitated by the honorable. But at the same time, what we are saying is that there is no payment issue here. What we are doing here is to standard, and it can take the traffic volume around these axes. The vehicles that are passing here are just vehicles into people's houses, It's not Dangote truck and all those. And majorly, even stone base, to me, it's not the major strength component of a road. The foundation itself is the, strength component of a road. Stone base is just to add to the strength and also creates a medium for, water. If it's a waterlogged area, it's to help to, filter or to channel water away. So what we have done is not out of place in terms of strength. Yeah, he has always encouraged us to do it better. Always call all the time. He calls, please compact very well. Please do it very well. Almost every day, he knows what happens. Every day he has and pleads that we should do it to standard. That's why he doesn't have anything to do with stone base or nothing. He's not the one that designed the road. He's not the one that brought out the specification. Is actually Federal Ministry of Works and Housing. At least, even if you are not an engineer, the Google is there. You can Google what stone base is. You can Google the meaning of stone base. You can find out what is being used for. You can find out where it's being used. Is it compulsory that is on a road or not? Is it the major strength component of a road or not? You can find out all those. That's just what I would say. If you find out, Google will throw more light, and show you direction. It's not by just saying this is the way it is done, this is the way it should be done. You can find out. Even if you cannot Google it, you can go to other senior engineers. Is it compulsory that stone base should be on a road, on a light traffic road? Is it compulsory? Is it bad to use a lateritic road? All those things can be Googled and find out. We've tried our best, and we believe in so many years to come, the road will stand the test of time, by the grace of God.
From the voices of reason so far, it is clear that there is no need to fear as the road is built to standard. A standard that will ensure durability. And every man and woman with conscience has no option other than to appreciate the kind gesture and forthrightness of Honorable Prince Okojie for deciding to construct this all-important road, a road that would eradicate criminality and ensure the congestion of Uromi Township Road by creating alternative routes for vehicles coming from Benin, Abuja, Addis to Agbo Road. And to ensure its durability, heavy-duty vehicles must be barred from plying the road, as the road is not a federal road built to handle those heavy-duty vehicles. Once again, Prince Audio Okojie, we appreciate you for the great accomplishments. Odi Obolo Obolo.
No.